that I'm sorry.
Yo no quise hacer eso.
I didn't want to do that.
His lawyer argued that a prison sentence, even though common for felonious assault convictions, would be uncommonly harsh for his client.
A felony conviction is going to impact his immigration status. It very well may make an impact on whether he can obtain a work visa to continue to play baseball.
In the end, Judge Connie Price sentences Castillo to 30 days in jail and 3 years probation. He'll also have to write a letter of apology to the victim and undergo anger management counseling. Prosecutors say they're pleased the judge didn't let Castillo off without any time behind bars.
Because to do otherwise would have been sort of a hollow sense of accountability. That would have really been to treat him differently than any other defendant charged with such a serious crime of violence.
Castillo was taken from court and immediately will begin serving his sentence. No word on how the jail time or conviction will affect his ability to stay in the country. Reporting live, I'm Libby Kirsch, 2 News on your side.
Okay, Libby, thank you. SWAT teams bust into a Springfield home and find it full of suspected stolen goods. The